next presenter is the Advisor of ABM Productivity, Ms. Noemi E. Del Rosario.
Presenting the graduates of Accountancy, Business and Management, Section Productivity. Male, Arneo M. Abaloyan. Award for Club Achievement, TESDA LCT Bookkeeping Passer with honors. Jonathan Dave S. Apoya. Special Recognition Division Calaro Participant, TESDA LCT Bookkeeping Passer with honors. Lennox Leandri A. Ani. TESDA LCT Bookkeeping Passer, recipient of Senator Coco Pimentel Achievement Award with highest honors. John Matthew S. Asani, Special Recognition for Research Competition, TESDA LCT Bookkeeping Passer with high honors. John Angelo P. Gugante, TESDA LCT Bookkeeping Passer with high honors. Rama Das L. Cabalquinto, Special Recognition Division Calaro Participant, TESDA LCT Bookkeeping Passer with honors. Asher Harvey C. De La Torre, Special Recognition for Research Competition, TESDA LCT Bookkeeping Passer with honors. Justin Ray G. Escasinas, TESDA LCT Bookkeeping Passer with honors. James Ryan P. Godinez, TESDA LCT Bookkeeping Passer with honors. Charles P. Jimenez, Special Recognition Division Calaro Participant, TESDA LCT Bookkeeping Passer with honors. Jared Jasper Villaglosa, TESDA LCT Bookkeeping Passer with honors. Frank Lawrence L. Morales. Miguel Vince M. Nicolas, TESDA LCT Bookkeeping Passer with high honors. John Andre J. Obera, Special Recognition for Research Competition, TESDA LCT Bookkeeping Passer with high honors. Francis Lee M. Patley, TESDA LCT Bookkeeping Passer with honors. John Paul C. Pepino. Jurgen Rabancho. Samuel D. Ronquillo, TESDA LCT Bookkeeping Passer with high honors. Joshua Ezekiel P. Rosario, Special Recognition for Research Competition, TESDA LCT Bookkeeping Passer with honors. Geraldino Jr. C. Cesar. Nathan Lu A. Umali with honors. Valdero Vernon B. Villarreal, Special Recognition for Research Competition, TESDA LCT Bookkeeping Passer with honors. Daniel Wilfred Zavala, TESDA LCT Bookkeeping Passer with high honors. Female. Mincy Jean S. Apple, Award for Club Achievement, TESDA LCT Bookkeeping Passer with honors. Dayan C. Adlao, Special Recognition for Research Competition, TESDA LCT Bookkeeping Passer with honors. Mika Chanel M. Mascarquillo, TESDA LCT Bookkeeping Passer with honors. Alea P. Asuncion, TESDA LCT Bookkeeping Passer with high honors. Jessica C. Docerdo, TESDA LCT Bookkeeping Passer with high honors. Haname B. Babico, TESDA LCT Bookkeeping Passer with high honors. Cherry Ann D. Borson, TESDA LCT Bookkeeping Passer with honors. Mariana Katrina S. Cabasa, TESDA LCT Bookkeeping Passer with high honors. Bea Claire E. Kalu, TESDA LCT Bookkeeping Passer with honors. Ashley Nicole P. Campi, TESDA LCT Bookkeeping Passer with honors. Irish Faye P. Kavita, TESDA LCT Bookkeeping Passer with honors. KCP Custodio, TSLC Tribu Keeping Pastor with I honors. Rika May S. Diato, TSLC Tribu Keeping Pastor with honors. Regine B. Decano, TSLC Tribu Keeping Pastor with honors. James L. P. De Los Reyes, TSLC Tribu Keeping Pastor with honors. Sophia Alexa G. Flores. Mary Joy M. Franco, TSLC Tribu Keeping Pastor with I honors. Veronica G. Amusalem, TSLC Tribu Keeping Pastor with I honors. Juliana Kyle S. Javier, TSLC Tribu Keeping Pastor with I honors. Crystalline D. Nana, TSLC Tribu Keeping Pastor with honors. Angelica M. Logan. Samantha Nicole S. Lucas, special recognition for research competition, TSLC Tribu Keeping Pastor with I honors. Kiana Iwa S. Malasiga, TSLC Tribu Keeping Pastor with honors. Julia May A. Montaos, TSLC Tribu Keeping Pastor with I honors. Sheila May H. Nurhaja, TSLC Tribu Keeping Pastor with I honors. Denise Rachel M. Roxides, TSLC Tribu Keeping Pastor with honors. Marjorie C. Primo, special recognition for research competition, award for club achievement, TSLC Tribu Keeping Pastor with I honors. Rika Ella B. Reyes, TSLC Tribu Keeping Pastor with I honors. Angel D. Romani, TSLC Tribu Keeping Pastor with I honors. Joanna Michelle M. Rojas, special recognition for research competition, TSLC Tribu Keeping Pastor, most proficient in word conversion, recipient of Senator Papa Pimentel Achievement Award with highest honors. Angel May M. Santos, TSLC Tribu Keeping Pastor with honors. Micaela Gabriel H. Santos, TSLC Tribu Keeping Pastor with I honors. Francis Trisha M. Tesorero, special recognition for research competition, TSLC